Custom tools can be used to batch print all the documents referred to an assembly at once. So here we have the listing of all the parts, drawings and sub-assembly referred to that conveyor. I can use profiles to print my documents to specific settings. I can also select the document to print based on specific custom property value. For example, if I want to print the document that have the type property as fabricated, then I will just type the value of the property. So I will select here the drawings of the reference model and select. Then we can see that the drawings were automatically selected. I can also manage a print order, for example, to follow the bill of material order. It can also be alphabetical or follow a property value. I can also hide or display specific layers of my drawings. I will be able also to modify the custom property values inserted in the printed document. For example, if I want to insert the printing date. I can also insert the manufacturing quantities that are displayed here. Translate my drawings, so the custom properties and title blocks will be translated, or reload or convert the sheet format of your drawings. Now we'll show you how we can configure custom tools so that your drawings are always printed to the correct settings. So here we have the list of profile, and then with every profile I can define specific printing settings per sheet format. So for example, if I select this S3 Ghost here, I can assign a printer where all the drawings using that specific sheet format will be printed, as well as a paper size and an orientation. And I can assign multiple sheet formats for the same profile. So here I select this one. I can select a different printer, for example, the correct paper size and the orientation.